But that morning, a sound that didn't belong.
Max wasn't just a dog. He was Emma's best friend.
Max saw the danger and did what dogs do. He protected his family.
A 400-pound male lion had escaped from a nearby sanctuary.
But the lion had already attacked. This was life or death.
Her protector, her shadow, her everything.
Max had been with Emma since she was born. 10 years together.
Max! Max! Please, where are you? Max!
Okay, Max, sit. Good dog. Look, the ball. Go fetch.
The torrential rain and high winds compromised the structure here. This tree fell, creating the gap the lion used to escape just hours ago.
Get away from them! Look at me! I'm right here! Come on!
We need to move fast. He's likely headed toward the ridge.
He'll use the old logging trail.
We can flank him here. Cuts the time in half.
We'll hook the chain right here, then everyone pull the smaller branches clear.
Got it. We'll clear the path on the count of 3.
Don't leave me, Max. Please stay awake. I love you so much.
Come on, Max. We have to go now. Move.
Please, Max, stay with us!
Hang in there, boy. We're almost at the clinic.
Is the oxygen stable?
Yes, Doctor. They must be close. Let's move out.
It's gonna be okay, Mija. The doctor is doing everything they can.
surgery was a success. We were able to remove the tumor completely. The surgery was a complete success. We saved her.
Oh, thank God.
You're safe.
Dad, I knew you'd make it.
Here's my good boy. I knew you'd recognize me. You're gonna be okay.
Good boy.
Come on, Max, you got this. Look at you. Yeah, he did it. Great job, Max.
Max, you're all better. I'm so happy. Come on, let's go.
For your exceptional bravery, Max, we present you with this Medal of Honor.
Thank you. We are so very proud of him.
Breaking news tonight, the incredible story of Max, the golden retriever who saved his owner. The story has gone...
Make sure the infrared sensors are aligned with the inner barrier. We can't have any blind spots this time.
We're happy to contribute to such a great cause.
Thank you so much. Your generosity truly makes a difference.
From near tragedy in the snow to this, it's why we do what we do. Max's legacy lives on.